Everyone, in last two class we solved exercise number 1 question from 1 to 4 from exercise number 1. Hope you all solve these 4 questions in your math notebook. So students, in today's class we are going to discuss or we are going to solve question number 5 from exercise number 1 given on page number 77. Okay. So question number 5 from exercise number 1 is that complete the multiplication and division facts. Simply we have given one table. In this some are multiplication facts and some are division facts. So complete the table with multiplication and division facts. Okay. So let us see which are the multiplication facts or which are the division facts and how to solve these facts. Okay, so firstly, first one column or in first one row there will be one multiplication fact. 4 multiply with 5. 4 multiply 5. 4 5 is 20. 4 5 is 20. Okay, यहाँ पे क्या किया है, 4 को मल्टीप्लाई किया है 5 से, मींस योर आंसर योर प्रोडक्ट इज दैट 20. 4 5 is 20. Now in second column simply change the order of this number. Simply change the order of this number. Here 4 multiplied by 5. Now do second column 5 multiplied by 4. Means simply change the order of this number. 4 multiplied by 5, 5 multiplied by 4 according to properties of multiplication. Okay, if we change the order of this number, the product cannot change. आपने यहाँ पे multiplication में according to properties of multiplication, multiplication के properties के हिसाब से आपने दो नंबर की ऑर्डर चेंज किए. ओके, क्या किया है, ऑर्डर चेंज किया है, लेकिन उसके प्रोडक्ट में कोई भी चेंज नहीं होगा. मींस 4 5 is 20. Here 5 4 is 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20. Means your answer is same. Your answer is same. Okay. Now these two are multiplication fact. Now see that how to create division facts. Simply take this answer firstly. Here write down 20. Now divide 20 by this 4. क्या करना है, यहाँ का आंसर आपको यहाँ पे फर्स्टली लिखना है. Then divide by 4. इसी नंबर को क्या करना है, 20 को 4 से डिवाइड करना है. मीन्स 20 divided by 4. What is your answer? Simply read the table of 4 up to 20. 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 8, 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20. At the place of 5 there will be 20. Means 4 5 is 20. Means your answer is 5. Next one, simply take this 20 number as it is here. Now divide by this 5. Divide by this 5. What is your answer? Read the table of 5. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20. At the place of 4 there will be 20. Means 5 4 is 20. Okay, understand? Let us see next one. Here 9 multiplied by 6 is equal to 54. 9 6 is 54. Okay. Now change the order of this multiplication here. Change the order of this multiplication here. Means here is 9 multiplied by 6. Write down here 6 multiplied by 9. 9 multiplied by 6. 9 6 is 54. Now write down here 6 multiplied by 9. Means simply we change the order of this number. यहाँ पे 9 multiplied by 6 है, हमने यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है, 6 multiplied by 9 लिखा है. Means 9 multiplied by 6, 9 6 is 54. Now 6 multiplied by 9, 6 9 is 54. Means product same. दोनों का भी प्रोडक्ट क्या है, सेम है। ओके, अपने ऑर्डर चेंज किया है लेकिन उसका आंसर क्या है, सेम है। नाउ डिवीजन फैक्ट्स, फर्स्टली टेक दिस 54 डिवाइड बाय दिस 6। okay, 54 divided by 6. Now read the table of 6 up to 54. okay, 6 9s are 54 means your answer is 9. okay, in next one column take this 54 as it is. This 54 divided with this 9. 54 divided by 9. Read the table of 9 up to 54 means your answer is 9 6 are 54. Number are same. okay, in all columns 1 2 3 4, in these all columns number are changed but facts are different. Some facts are multiplication and some facts are division with interchanging numbers. okay, understand? Next one, in third one column here 72 divided by 9. 72 divided by 9. Simply read the table of 9 up to 72. 9 8s are 72 means your answer is 8. Same as like that, take 72 as it is, divided by this 8. okay, now read the table of 8 up to 72. Your answer is 8 9s are 72 means number are changed but their place are different. okay, understand? No multiplication facts. First one, 9 multiplied by 8. Take 9 multiplied by 8. 9 8s are 72. 9 8s are 72. Now change the order of this number. Here is 9 multiplied by 8. 9 write down here, 8 multiplied by 8. 8 9s are 72. okay, understand how to complete this table? okay, these are the question number 5. Remaining questions solved by you. okay, these are our question number 5. Now question number 6. Question number 6 is that divide using repeated subtraction. Divide using repeated subtraction. This one is the lazy method to find out the answer of division. okay, question number 6. Divide using repeated subtraction. okay, these are the one method to find out the answer of division. This one is the one of the lazy method to find out the answer of division. So first one question is that number A 25 divided by 5. Find out the answer by repeated subtraction. okay, so firstly take this 25. Firstly take this 25. Subtract 5. Firstly subtract 5 from this 25. Subtract this 5 from this 25. okay, what is the difference between them? 5 minus 5 0. 2 as it is. okay, again subtract 5. Repeated subtraction means subtract 5 up to where 0 is your difference. subtract क्या करना है? इस डिवाइजर को subtract करना है. कब तक करना है? जब तक 0 रिमाइंडर नहीं आता है. जब तक 0 आपका रिमाइंडर नहीं आता है. okay, so now 20 minus 5. okay, 20 minus 5 simply answer is your 15. okay, now subtract 5 from this 15. 5 minus 5 0. 1 as it is. 10 is there. Okay, write down this 10 here. 10 minus 5, 5. Okay, again minus 5. 5 minus 5, 0. Okay, lastly your answer, your remainder is 0. Now count the how many times we subtract 5. अभी क्या करना है, हमें काउंट करना है कि हमने 5 कितने टाइम सब्ट्रैक्ट किया. दिस वन इज फर्स्ट टाइम, दिस सेकंड टाइम, दिस वन इज थर्ड टाइम, दिस वन इज फोर्थ टाइम एंड दिस वन इज फिफ्थ टाइम. ओके, अभी क्या करना है हमें कि काउंट करना है कि हमने 5 को कितने बार सब्ट्रैक्ट किया है. कितने बार सब्ट्रैक्ट किया है? 1 2 3 4 5. जितने बार हमने सब्ट्रैक्ट किया है यहां पे आपका वो आंसर होगा. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? जितने बार हमने इस 5 को सब्ट्रैक्ट किया है वही क्या होगा आपका आंसर. मींस 5 5 is 20. अंडरस्टैंड? टेक नेक्स्ट वन. 36 divided by 9. Number B, 36 divided by 9. Okay, find out the answer of this division by repeated subtraction method. Firstly take 36. 36 minus 9. Okay, subtract this. 6 minus 9, possible? Not possible. Take 1, carry from this 3. Here is 3 minus 1, 2. Now here 16. 16 minus 9, 7. These 2 as it is. Now again subtract 9 from this 27. 27 minus 9. 7 minus 9, possible? Not possible. Take 1, carry from this 2. 2 minus 1, 1. And here number is your 17. 17 minus 9, simply 8. This one as it is right here, means your answer is 18. Again subtract 9 from this 18. 18 minus 9, simply 8 minus 9 is not possible. Take 1, carry from this 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Here answer is your 18. Means 18 minus 9, 9. This 0 as it is right here. Again minus 9. 9 minus 9, 0. Now count how many times you subtract 9. This one is your first time, second time, third time and fourth time. You subtract 9 4 times from this 36, you will get 0. Means your answer is 4. This is the repeated subtraction method. Understand? Okay students, here our exercise number 1 is completed. So write down question number 1 to question number 6 in your math notebook. If any queries about this question or about this exercise, directly call me. Up to, thanks.